Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another amazing video. In this video I'm going to be talking about lower time frame entries and lower time frame trades. I think that is what most people call scalping, so stick around. I'm going to be giving you a setup that is going to help you on the lower time frame trading, or intraday trading, or scalping. Not intraday day trading or scalping. So stick around up to the end of the video because you're going to be getting amazing premium information. I've not been around for almost 2 days because I've been having a severe flu. I've been having a severe flu. I think you can hear the way I'm speaking. It is not as clear as usual. However, I've managed to have some medication and I'm feeling a little bit better. So stick around to the video. I'm going to be giving you premium juice. Also, guys, a lot of people are watching our videos but they are not subscribed to the channel. Guys, kindly subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. At least if you're watching our videos and you're finding value out of it, subscribe to the channel. If we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be putting all the 1,000 subscribers in a Telegram group and I'll be giving them free signals for around 2 months just to appreciate them and teach them how to trade. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe, or else you'll miss out because it's going to be for only the first 1,000 subscribers. So I think without further ado, let's go straight to the video. So this is the 30 minutes time frame, and this is mainly for lower time frame traders. So I'm just going to scroll up to I'll be showing you on different pairs, one or two setups on different pairs. So I think I can start from where? Let me start from here. So the strategy that we're going to be looking at, there are only two. We have, let me do this. We have a drop where price drops, makes a base, and then drops again. So we want this to be our demand zone. Price will come back like this, tap into our zone, and then continues to drop down. Same thing is going to work for the buy side, and this is the only strategy that you need. This is price will go up, make a base, go up again. So we want to use this as our demand zone. Price will come, tap into our zone, and then goes to the upside. And you'll have to hold your trades until price gives you a new higher high or a new lower low. That is going to be your take profit. So we are just going to start from here. I think we start from here, guys. So price goes up, makes a base, and then goes up again. And this is the 30 minutes time frame. So this is a day trading strategy or scalping strategy. Price goes up, makes a base, and then proceeds to the upside again, breaking the previous structure with a very good rally to the upside. So what do? You can wait for the line chart. You can see it clearly. So what do you do here? You just mark that zone, mark this zone very well, like this. You see how I've marked it? Just mark to the wick down there like that. So I'm not, this video is going to be short because I have flu, so I don't want you guys to hear me coughing. So after you have marked your areas very well, the next thing is you're going to put your buy limits here, or you can wait for price action to come back to the area and you buy. Stop loss is always slightly below. This one I just make it 30, slightly below, just make it 30 like that. And the target is the new, you can target the previous high, that is a 1:2, or target a new high. Wait for price to give you a new high. I don't give you a 1:3. So day trading strategy, very clean and clear. Only 3 steps. When you come to the market, identify the direction of the market. Obviously, after the break of this higher high, this last high, That meant that we are going in for a bullish run. So the direction of the market was bullish. And then identify your setup, which is rally, base, rally. So after identifying the setup, you mark the demand zone clearly and then wait for price action to come and tap into the zone and then buy to the upside. Simple and clear, straight to the point. So we shall just proceed and look for another setup. So we had one here. There was a rally, a base, a rally. Good rally to the upside, break of structure. And then you marked that zone very well, this one here. Mark it very well like this. So now you see this one. Price came, tapped into the zone, respected it, went up, but it did not have the momentum to continue to the upside. Instead, came back, dropped, and reacted from this second zone here, and went up again, did not have the momentum, and then came back. I don't know why it reacted from. This must be a zone on the high time frame, and then went up. So you didn't make any good profits there. However, we have another one, a very beautiful one here. So we have price going up. First we had this one, rally, base, rally. However, price did not come back, so it continued up. Then give us another rally, a base, a rally, continue to the upside. So now what do? We mark the demand zone. We know that we are going to buy, so mark the zone very well. Mark the zone very well. So after, put your buy limits there, or you can wait for, since it is a day trading strategy. Scalping, you can just wait on the chart for price to come back in the area and you execute. But I discourage that, because when price comes back in the area with that huge red candle, you're going to have fear of taking the trade. So take the trade, and then you can target 1:2. The previous high obviously was 1:1, but this one was continuing up to 1:3. Went even a 1:4, 1:5. So you can see, but 1:3 should always be enough. That is enough for you to be profitable. So we shall continue. Price again came here and made a base, a rally, a base, a rally with a good engulfing candle. So that was a good area to buy from. So you just mark that area very well like that. Price came back, respected it, gave you TP1, but it did not hit, take profit 2. So at this point you are out of the market. If you are not, you are taken out. However, price changed a little bit here. Then broke the previous structure here. See, there's a break of structure here, change of character. Okay, then made a lower low, retraced a little bit, and then broke this here, breaking structure here, giving you a supply zone up here. This one here. Mark it very well like that. So after changing character, broke structure here, and then gave you a supply zone up there. So what do? You put your entries, and this is the 30 minutes time frame, guys. Put your entries there. Stop loss slightly up. That one would have been 20 pips. First level target is here, 1:3. Then if you would hold, you would go up to 1:4, but I discourage holding unless you're sure. Guys, you can hear me yawn. Yeah, because I'm not okay, guys. I'm not okay. So we have another zone here. This is a rally, a base, a rally, breaking the previous structure with a demand zone here. So just come, mark your zone, mark your demand zone very well, and look at the move from that area, guys. Look at the move from that demand zone. Why is it? I want to get it. I think there it makes sense. There, see, this was a rally, a base, a rally, broke structure here, and left for us a demand zone here. Let me just mark it where it is supposed to be here. Good. So look at how price came, sat into the zone very well, and look at the move away, guys. Look at that move away. Literally, this was a 30 minutes time frame trade, but you would hold it for around 3 hours and get maximum profit. So I would just put like that, risk to reward 17 pips, and look at gains. Here it gave you 1:2, 1:3, and then I think this was something like news, gave you around 300 pips. This is a 1:16, 1:16 in one move, guys. 1:16, and it continued to 390 pips. That is 1:22 in one move. This is how you get sniper entries and very big risk to reward. And I told you, you want to do the Alchemist strategy, a simplified version. This is what you're going to do. Forget all about those things. You draw 100 trend lines and then 100 support and resistance. No, all you need is a clear narrative and precision, and then hold your trades. For day traders, you'll get out of here, or advise that you let one of your positions run. You just keep on shifting the stop losses, shifting the stop losses. So I think that is what I wanted to show you guys. I just felt like I should make a video for my lower time frame traders. This is 30 minutes. I think that is okay with you. You guys trade 45, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes. So this should be okay with you. Now, I'll just recap what you have learned. First, just identify the trend of the market. Remember, the trend is your friend. You want to be trading with the trend, not against the trend. So identify the trend of the market. Where is the trend heading? The trend is heading upwards, meaning we are looking for only buys. So as long as market is making higher highs and higher lows, we are looking for buys. So second thing is identify your setup. In a bullish market, we are looking for only demand zones. Identify your demand setup. We have a rally, a base, and rally. That is the setup that you're going to use most in demand setups. So you have identified your zone, then mark the demand zone clearly. That indecision candle, mark it clearly. After, wait for price to come back to your zone and then execute the trade without fear or favor. Simple, straight to the point. Target is, stop loss is slightly below the zone. Target is the previous high, but you can let your trades run. I'm always a fan of swing trading because I'm a swing trader. I'm always a fan of letting trades run. You can let your trades run into huge profits. So I think that is all. That is all for the setup. You can never know which trade is going to work out. So always, whenever I say a setup, take it. Okay guys, so I think I'll end here for today. That has been GBP NZD on 30 minutes time frame. Go and backtest this, go and practice this until when you can get your perfection or your edge. Okay guys, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, and also if you have learned something from the video, kindly like the video. Tell me in the comment section which video do you want me to do a setup about, which video do you want me to do analysis about, and I'll be doing that. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.